King 1 checking in.
5-9 to King 2. Oh, disregard.
Dispatch to Mill Creek Unit 61 King 1 in Mary.
Go ahead.
61 King 1 at 2 out at Albertsons. This will be possession of drug paraphernalia. Does not have a bail amount. PD Marysville.
Copy. Hey, tell us you can detain him. I'll be willing to drive him up to Marysville if need be.
6-1 King 2. We'll be at the bus stop on 132nd, just west of 35th.
61 King 2 with the subject, 132nd west of 35th at the bus stop.
5-9 Swift.
6 King 5-9 with 1 King 2.
Full pursuit. Running back into Thomas Lake Center.
6-1 King 2.
We're running past McDonald's. Headed west.
Copy, subject is westbound past McDonald's.
K-9 12 en route. What's the warrant for?
Possession of drug paraphernalia, no bail.
Bill, drug paraphernalia, Marysville. Resisting arrest. We had hands on him. He pulled away from us. That containment.
For Mill Creek.
22 headed into 3309. 132nd into the apartment. 16.1, I'm copy. I'll be around.
Copy.
Six King 2. We lost visual. 3309. B-Boy building.
Hey, Chris, if you could go north on 35th for now.
I got it.
If you guys could just hold and don't contaminate the area anymore. Just keep that last spot fresh for me.
6 King 2, copy. 6 King 2, can we get some more units from county to check containment? King 5-9 subject description.
King 1 wearing a black long sleeve shirt, green jeans, black high tops, white male, 5'10", 170.
They're actually green high tops, but I gotcha. 5-9, see if county can assist with containment.
Ever.
6 King 2 to King 1. I'm hanging back in the parking lot. I want to contaminate it for the dog.
Hey, King 1, just for info, he does not have a vehicle with him. K-9 12. If county doesn't have any units available for containment, check with Everett, please. I know county's pretty busy right now.
6 King 2 to units. Keep an eye out for the gray Escalade. His buddies might be trying to pick him up.
Control information card. CD Mill Creek's requesting assistance at the Albertsons, 3322 132nd Street. So
King 5-9 containment spots if we get them.
Charles 1, I'll be around here in a minute.
copy.
K-9 22-10-9.
Mill Creek had one resisting. They're going to do a track. They're requesting additional for containment at Albertsons, 3322 132nd Street Southeast.
Copy, thanks. Do you need a break, Brandon? I think they have.
6 King 5-9 containment spots.
Go ahead.
129th and 124th.
Copy.
24th and, correction, 25th and 123rd.
Copy.
129th and 25th.
What was the outcome with the detective?
They do not need the scene, so no search.
Hey, Chris, at this point in time, if he went anywhere, he probably went north, because we've got the southeast corner locked down pretty good.
He couldn't have made it into the brush back there?
Yeah, I know there's trails that head north, so I think that'd be his. He may have bedded down, because I went around a corner and he was gone.
K-9 12 on scene.
K-9 12 on.
K-41 ride. Where would you like me to go?
41 monitor 35th. He might be in that brush back there.
Copy. Let's go there and wait for you.
According to the map, Gary's already there. You can disregard.
K-41, I'll be at 35th and 132nd.
35th and 132nd.
Charles 1 Center, is Mill Creek Police 2 or 1?
I think it's 2, but I'm not sure. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
K-9 12.
K-9 12.
3 announcements made. Subject was called out by name. Advised he was under arrest and to surrender to the nearest police officer with his hands above his head. And K-9 12. PC is a warrant of drug paraphernalia, but also resisting arrest.
County 3 Charles 1 on Police 2.
3 Charles 1.
Where do you guys need containment at? 1541 and 3 Charles 1. If you could take 130th and 35th. 130th and 35th, copy. 53 Sam coming into the area. Where do you need me? 53 Sam, if you could take north of 130th and 35th.
Team 1, we're getting witnesses pointing to the B building at the complex, likely in a stairwell.
You talking to Mill Point?
No, in the condo here where we're at right now. 3309. We're gonna put apply the dog here.
I'm right at the condos. You want me down there?
We got enough here. We're going to need some containment, probably to the west in case he goes to the Mill Point.
I'll change my location to Mill Point.
There's a trail through the woods that leads from here into the Mill Point to the west. He might take that.
Copy.
5-9 to all incoming units. Suspect description is a white male, about 5'10", wearing a black long sleeve shirt, green jeans, green shoes.
Contacting 1, clear.
Contacting 1. Copy 1 accepted.